Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Ranger ignition barrel full guide. Begin by disconnecting the battery, set the steering column to center, and remove trim panels carefully to expose the ignition barrel. Keep screws organized and note each component location for reassembly. Use a magnetized screwdriver to reduce dropped fasteners. Take photos as you go to ensure correct reinstallation and avoid unnecessary trips to the parts store. Now locate and remove the screws securing the upper and lower steering column covers, then gently separate the covers to reveal the ignition assembly below. Use a trim tool if clips are tight to prevent snapping any tabs. Keep a small container for hardware and take a quick photo of the exposed assembly for reference. This step makes the ignition barrel accessible and reduces the risk of breaking plastic components while you work. If you are finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker can keep your hands free with voice timers and diagnostics while you work on your truck. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if interested. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. With the covers off, insert the key and turn to the accessory position to release the lock cylinder. Then press the retaining pin and pull the ignition barrel straight out. If the barrel resists, a small amount of penetrating lubricant and gentle rocking can help free it without damage. Keep tension on the key as you withdraw the barrel to prevent tumblers from shifting and maintain alignment for an easier reinstall later on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.